Want the #1 student engagement hack of the year? Turn yourself into a talking baby, just like this one. Stick with me, teacher friends, and I'll walk you step by step through the process of making your own talking baby teacher. It's easier than you think. Let's go.
The tools you'll need to pull this off are ChatGPT, the paid version, and HEDRA. Here's how it works. Okay, teacher friend, the first step is going to be finding good pictures of yourself. Headshots probably work best. Once you have a picture that's pretty good, you're going to bring that picture over. You have your ChatGPT open. Drag that picture straight into a new ChatGPT prompt box. You can also achieve that same effect by hitting the plus sign here in ChatGPT, add photos and files, and then go through where you have your picture saved to add the picture to ChatGPT that way. This is especially helpful if you have your pictures organized on your desktop or in a downloads file. For me, I have them in a folder on my desktop, and it's just easier and quick to drag and drop it into ChatGPT. Once you have that, you will use this prompt. Create an image by turning this person into a realistic baby sitting in a classroom at a teacher's desk. If you want extra details in the picture, like have the baby sitting in front of a computer, have the baby with a bottle of baby coffee sitting next to it on the desk, add those details here. If you're showing this to your students as a quick intro to a lesson, the aspect ratio will probably be 16:9, which is a wide view so that it covers your screen when you're showing this to your students. If you prefer a view that looks more like a reel or a TikTok, your aspect ratio will be 9:16. So for teaching, I would recommend 16:9. And then you're going to hit this arrow to tell ChatGPT to turn you into a baby. That's step 1. Once you hit that arrow, ChatGPT will give you an image of yourself as a baby. This was the first iteration that it gave me, and I thought, well, she is just a cutie patootie, but I do want her to have the laptop open, and I want there to be some baby coffee next to her. So I gave ChatGPT my feedback. This is adorable, but add to the teacher's desk a baby bottle with the words on it. And this is the version that it gave me, and I like this version. It has the computer open and it has baby coffee. So I'm going to go with this baby version of myself. Now you are going to hit the download button to save your new baby image, and we're going to head over to HEDRA AI. On the home page of HEDRA, you are going to click video. I have this prompt available for you down below in the description, but this is basically a prompt telling HEDRA to turn your baby portrait into a talking baby teacher. It also includes details about the crop, the camera settings, the movement of the baby to make it as realistic as possible. Then you're going to click to add your script, and you are going to add your image here. Once you have your image and your audio added by clicking these two, you're going to hit this arrow, and HEDRA is going to generate your talking baby picture. I'm not going to hit that arrow again because I've already gone through this process. So let me show you what HEDRA generated for my talking baby teacher.
Boom, bada, bing. Before you go make your talking baby, subscribe. Want the #1 student engagement hack of the year? Turn yourself into a talking baby, just like this one.
Now that you have your talking baby teacher, you can add this clip to Google Slides, a Google Classroom, Surprise your students with a morning message where your talking baby is greeting them for the morning. It's just such a fun way to grab your students' attention, to get them engaged in the lesson, and have a nice hook or lesson warm-up that will make the whatever it is that you're teaching even more interesting for your kiddos to pay attention to. So there are so many different ways that you could use your talking baby AI voice teacher, whatever you want to call this. You can even use this at the end of a lesson, right before an exit ticket, end of the day message. So many different ways.
Boom, bada, bing. Before you go make your talking baby, subscribe for more teacher hacks. And feel free to play my videos here, straight to your students. But give this video a like so that baby me doesn't start crying. Okay, bye.